I don't think Long Island's a good Airbnb market. You need an attraction, and the problem is, like, the main attractions in New York, like Yankee Stadium, like,
Yeah.
it's in the middle of the Bronx.
Right.
Like, like, stuff like that. Um, Al, our friend Al does Airbnb there, and, he does okay, but it's like he doesn't profit a crazy amount. What's great is that he's getting his mortgages paid off.
Right.
That's why he does it. But what I found, and there's markets like mine that absolutely can crush it because we're in a huge tourist city. So that's my first recommendation. You need to find a market that's a tourist city. Our rules and regulations are a little in depth. They're pretty strict, but that's okay. We figured out how to do it. But I'll be honest with you. I've seen people do very well house hacking their own house with Airbnb.
Yeah.
And so, I don't think there's anything wrong with you have a house and you're going away for 2 weeks or going away for a weekend a month, and you Airbnb your house out to create some extra income. Highly recommend it. I don't think it's talked about enough. I think that it's a great way to just create other income for yourself.